2024 has been a rough year for the solar industry. We've seen a pretty large pullback in most of the solar-related energy securities, with exception of a few names. And I think 2025 is potentially a return to growth for the industry. Hey, I'm Rob Barnett. I am a senior energy and commodity analyst, and I work for Bloomberg Intelligence. Fundamentally, demand for solar has been growing. So solar installations are currently at about 600 gigawatts a year globally, and that's about a 30% growth rate from the prior year. The thing that's been challenging for the industry, though, is that module prices, the price that people pay for solar, has been coming down. And that's ultimately a great story for the consumer because it makes solar cheaper, but it's been very hard for the companies to maintain profitability and maintain revenue growth under that context. So I think 2025 is a return to growth, and there's some exciting things that are happening as well. So solar to date has mostly just been about putting panels out. Going forward, we're probably going to see a lot more pairing of storage, batteries being coupled with solar, and so that's going to be a bigger piece of the theme or the outlook for the industry in 2025 and beyond. There are a number of companies in the solar space that are profitable. I think that some investors may think that solar is a kind of ESG type investment, which maybe has sort of uncertainty around profitability. There are certainly some solar names that have not done well, but there are examples of ones that we can point to that are profitable. First Solar comes to mind here in the US. They are currently running EBITDA margins north of 40%. Right now, First Solar is the largest US module maker. They've been growing facilities in Ohio, Alabama, and they are really poised to capture probably an appreciable share of the US market because they were ahead of the game, so to speak. They've existed before the Inflation Reduction Act was passed, and they really are the sort of preeminent player in the solar module space within the US. In addition to the IRA, they're also protected by tariffs that help keep foreign competitors out. So they're a little bit protected by policy, and so the election will really matter for them. I think our research is differentiated on a couple of metrics. So one is, we're truly independent. I think we are also quite scaled, right? And so research doesn't really happen in a silo. There's all kinds of things that can contribute to it. And so the fact that I can leverage a network of about 500 colleagues really helps to make sure that we're delivering unique, original views on the market.